Welcome to part 2 of A for Apple and B for Boy, what a launch. I'm sorry, मैं ये जो है ना attending these actual launches in person मैं बहुत ही miss कर रहा हूँ. But जो YouTuber in me, the one who's actually setting up this camera, these lights, audio, ये सब कुछ जो है, the light boy and the producer in me, I have to appreciate the production quality and effects जो Apple जो अपने launches में कर रहा है. Virtual ज़रूर हैं, they are not real, but man, they are doing a good job. I mean, brand films तो उनकी हमेशा अच्छी होती थी, but now mixing and moving through CG sets, actual on-campus shoots और इतनी fluidly, बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो Apple. Well done, well done, well done. But let's talk about the device on which I think उन्होंने अपनी पूरी की पूरी script लिखी होगी, and that is the two new iPads. 8th generation iPad took booster pills and now runs. उन्होंने डाल दिया है उसमें A12 Bionic chip. तो अब जो entry level iPad भी है ना, the one that actually costs 29,900 for the Wi-Fi version, उसमें भी अब एक neural engine आ गया है, A12 Bionic plus neural engine, which means बहुत ही fast CPU performance, much better graphic capabilities, increased machine learning capabilities for things like AR, better Siri performance, मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बहुत कुछ चेंज कर दिया. 10.2 इंच का रेटिना डिस्प्ले है, improved cameras हैं, same reliable battery life that goes on and on. Versatility on offer जो है is very very good, and value for money also is now absolutely great. Apple Pencil works on this iPad, but it's become much smoother to use on this iPad. अब जो absolute potential unlock होगा ना, that is as soon as iPad OS 14 is actually released, which is very easy now, क्योंकि ये जो 8th generation iPad, it will come pre-installed with that iPad OS. It will come pre-installed also on the new iPad Air. अब इसको उन्होंने काफ़ी निप एंड टक करके ना certain right areas में इसको काफ़ी पतला और कर दिया है, but don't get fooled by names like Air and the slim and light look and feel. ये जो है काफ़ी रॉकेट है, काफ़ी सॉलिड बनाया है, काफ़ी परफॉर्मर है. Inside the new iPad Air is the A14 Bionic chip, and I can't wait to throw demanding tasks at the iPad Air when it actually gets here, because इसमें तो next level चला गया ना. Apple is claiming close to 40% boost in CPU performance, and इस वजह से I can't stop smiling. जो generational jump है between the iPad and its elder sibling is now going to be absolutely huge. I think वो लोगों ने जिनको Air का size बहुत पसंद था, and they waited to get this one saying कि इसमें जब अच्छी performance आएगी we'll buy it. Well done, good foresight guys. Now it's here, because this one is actually quite a leap. Apple के अपने words और description में आपको बताता हूँ, A14 Bionic जो है includes a new 16-core neural engine that is twice as fast and capable of performing up to 11 trillion operations per second. Yes, taking machine learning apps to a whole new level. मतलब now you can do a lot with this that you could never think before. A14 Bionic also includes second generation machine learning accelerators in the CPU for 10 times faster machine learning calculations. मतलब for those nerds out there, this is something that you must know. ये जो combination है of the new neural engine, CPU machine learning accelerators और high performance GPU enables powerful on-device experiences for image recognition, natural language learning, analyzing motion and more. यानी कि आप क्या क्या कर पाएंगे, बहुत कुछ. iPad Air has also gotten upgrades in the camera and the audio department as well. But let's hold out to all those. उनके बारे I think हम लोग जो है, I'll give you my comments and my review when I actually get my hand on one. By the way, मैं आपको बता दूं एक और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ हुई. Now iPad Air में है USB Type-C port. Finally. Yes, Apple. Yes. Please copy and paste this onto the next iPhone 2. जिंदगी बदल जाएगी लोगों की. The majority of the magic is actually happening in iPad OS actually. बहुत सारी improvements हैं, बहुत सारे enhancements हैं इसमें that have been made in the entire note-taking process. And for those of you who want a taste of all of this, देखिए iPad OS जो है नया वाला will be available September 16th onwards, but I won't update my old iPad yet. I will patiently wait for my new iPad Air to arrive. क्योंकि ना मैं उसको ना test करना चाहता हूँ to the limit. I'll actually throw some super high high-res images at it. उनको edit करूँगा and I'm quite sure that it'll do it without any hiccups. I'll edit an entire video feature on it in 4K और उसमें मैं add करूँगा heavy-duty effects also. Maybe I'll also play a very heavy-duty game on it and really test it. I mean, देखिए मैंने तो अभी decide नहीं किया है. Maybe you guys can actually help. Anything specific that you guys want me to actually do on these iPads? क्योंकि ये iPads मेरे पास बहुत ही जल्द आने वाले हैं ताकि मैं यहाँ पे टेस्ट करूँ so that your purchase decision can now become easy because both the iPads are looking absolutely fantastic. Write it down in the comment section below and I will see you very, very soon with the new iPads.